Got some water last night. Oh yeah. We got it good. Alright. So I'm out of yogurt. And I gotta go to the store and grab some yogurt and then get back and manage my trades. I have 2 trades on right now. I've got a Euro New Zealand buy trade and a Euro Yen buy trade. I'm long the Euro right now. Do you ever come across a chart and suddenly that chart is just, it looks just amazing and you're wondering like, how did I miss this thing setting up all along? Like, all of a sudden this thing just appears out of nowhere and it's a really good looking trade. Well, that's exactly what happened to me this morning. I woke up 3:30 in the morning again and I saw this trade. Luis in the chat room posted this trade and I was like, I cannot believe I missed this trade even setting up. So I'm gonna run to the store and get some yogurt. Also, since I've been getting up at like 2:30 in the morning or 3 in the morning, now I'm upside down. Hi, how are you? All right, got the yogurt, and so when I leave my trades, when I go out, I don't necessarily put a stop loss or a profit target on those trades. Every trade I take is going to have a couple of characteristics. One, it's going to be a trade I want to take and that I'd be willing to take and hold for a long time. 2, it's going to have a small trade size, so if it moves against me because something goes wrong or a computer goes down or I need yogurt, it won't be a problem. So it's time maybe to answer some questions. From time to time, I think it's a good idea to talk to you a little bit about what I trade and how I trade it. So this right here is account number 1. This is part of the trade copying service. This is up on the year. I think that number is a little bit mistaken. It says 9% for the year, but I don't think that's accurate. I think it's a little bit higher. I know that's what you would expect me to say, but and then we've got the second trading account that I'm a little bit more aggressive in. This is also incorrect. I'm not up 15% for the year. I also think that's higher. It doesn't really matter. It's not like I'm living and dying on this. And then this is the other trade copying account. And that says it's up 20% for the year. And so I think that some of these numbers are totally and ridiculously mistaken. I'm not exactly sure about those numbers, but and then I also trade stocks. I had a pretty good week. I had an okay week. I don't think I'll be able to show all of those, but there's the primary trading account that I have at TD Ameritrade, and what I'm holding right now is I'm holding a short position in MGM. That's only down $30. I fully expect that to come back and do really nicely. And then I'm holding short on Monster Beverage Company and NVIDIA. And I'm happy to hold those trades. I'm not unhappy about those positions. I've also got a Robinhood trading account. And I've also, hold on, I don't know if this will work. I don't know if that's working or not. I've also got a Robinhood trading account on my iPhone. That's got about $45,000, $46,000 in that account. And so across all those accounts, that's where I'm doing my trading. And my goal is to make between $100 and $500 a day, with the occasional day where I make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Maybe once a month when I catch a tiger by the tail, I'll get a really good one. And this is how I think it works. I think you do the same thing over and over again, and you get good at that one thing. You get really good at trading this one strategy or system or method. And in my opinion, you do that every day. You close everything out every day, and you're just flat at the end of the day. I have a couple exceptions here, but generally you're done with your trades at the end of the day. And then every once in a while, you get into a trade one day and it's just zooming in your favor. It's just doing really well. And you keep that one open and you let that ride a little bit longer for a bigger gain. Or in the ordinary course of doing your trading business, one day you just take a trade and it just starts going and you get a really big win. So that's kind of what I'm up to. And from time to time, we'll check in here. This is what I want you to do. I mean, that's the whole reason I'm doing these videos, besides the fact that I would like to entertain you,